So apart from viewing analytics for all of the videos in your channel, you can also view analytics for a particular video that you posted. So to do that, you can go around onto the content section and access the video which you want to view the analytics for. So let's just say I'm going to go around and view the analytics for this video. So in that case, you can go to edit by going on to the details, or you can see that analytics is an option right here. You can click on this and it opens up that particular video and you get to the analytics section. So for this particular video, you'll see the views right here, the watch time, the subscribers, and key moments for your audience retention as well. So you even know where the video is not viewed and where the video is viewed more right here to know which of the video contents are important for your audience. You can also see the reach right here on when the video had a reach to its audience, and see the engagement level in the video, the average duration and watch hours for that particular video. And you can also see how much returning viewers there were and how many new viewers there were for that particular video. So you can go around on to the advanced mode from over here as well and see the exact let's say for example viewer gender, the viewer age and so forth for this particular video over here as well. So as there will be more videos, then you'll see more details regarding this video as well, just like this. And that is how you can go around and utilize the video analytics section inside of YouTube Studio. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.